Welcome back to Language Journey, everyone. Today, we're diving into a topic that's on everyone's mind: AI. Specifically, can artificial intelligence truly replace English teachers?
It's a huge question, Jessica, and one that many learners and educators are grappling with. AI tools are becoming incredibly sophisticated, offering instant feedback and personalized practice.
Absolutely. On one hand, AI seems to offer so much: 24/7 access, tailored exercises, grammar checks, pronunciation analysis. It's like having a tutor in your pocket. So, what do you think are AI's biggest strengths in language learning right now?
Its strengths are definitely in structured practice and immediate feedback. For instance, AI can instantly correct grammar in your writing, suggest vocabulary synonyms, or help you drill verb conjugations endlessly without judgment. It's fantastic for foundational skills and consistent, repetitive practice.
That sounds incredibly powerful for specific tasks. But what about the more nuanced aspects of language? The things that make human communication so rich and complex?
That's where AI truly hits its limits. AI struggles with understanding subtle humor, cultural nuances, sarcasm, and the emotional context of a conversation. It can't truly empathize or adapt to a student's emotional state, which is crucial for motivation and building confidence.
I agree. A teacher doesn't just correct your mistakes, they encourage you, understand your struggles, and celebrate your progress. They build a relationship, and that human connection is a huge motivator.
Exactly. AI can't replicate the spontaneous, unpredictable nature of real human conversation, where you learn to navigate awkward pauses, read body language, and truly connect. It also can't provide the cultural insights that a human teacher, especially a native speaker, can offer.
So, for our listeners, how can they best leverage AI tools in their English learning without falling into the trap of thinking it's a complete replacement?
My advice is to use AI as a powerful supplementary tool. Use it for quick grammar checks, generating vocabulary lists, practicing specific pronunciation sounds, or getting instant feedback on a written paragraph. But always combine this with human interaction.
So, for example, you could use an AI tool to brainstorm ideas for an essay, but then work with a human teacher or tutor to refine the arguments, ensure natural flow, and get deeper feedback on style and tone.
Precisely. And for speaking practice, while AI chatbots are improving, nothing beats conversing with a real person, a teacher, a language exchange partner, or a friend. That's where you develop true fluency and confidence.
It sounds like the role of the English teacher isn't disappearing, but evolving. How do you see the teacher's role changing in this AI powered future?
Teachers will become even more crucial as facilitators, mentors, and guides. They can focus on higher order thinking skills, critical analysis, and fostering creativity, leaving the repetitive drills to AI. They'll teach students how to use AI effectively, too.
So, instead of being replaced, teachers become more valuable in areas where AI falls short: empathy, cultural context, complex problem solving, and building genuine human connection. It's about synergy.
Exactly. AI can handle the what and how of basic language mechanics, but teachers excel at the why and the who, the motivation, the cultural understanding, and the human element of communication.
Fantastic insights, Chris. So, to sum it up for our listeners, AI is an incredible tool for English learners, offering personalized practice and instant feedback on many aspects of language. However, it cannot replace the empathy, cultural understanding, and dynamic interaction that a human teacher provides.
Use AI to supercharge your learning, but always remember the invaluable role of human connection in mastering a language. It's about combining the best of both worlds.
Thank you for joining us on this exploration of AI and English teaching. What are your thoughts? Do you use AI in your language learning? Let us know on social media. Until next time, keep learning and keep exploring.